Thank you for your comments and feedback that we got from you on our last video. You rock. Remember how we talked about losing weight, how to keep it off, nutrition that will keep you satisfied, exercise that you will do, and mental tips and tricks that will help you level up and find your healthy? We are getting ready to do an epic 21-day challenge that will help you find your healthy lifestyle. But before we talk about that, let's hear how Brandi did it.
Brandi has been a part of the Chics lifestyle for 3 years. She came to us with all the excuses that you shared with us. She works full-time with a busy schedule, lives on a tight budget, and she wasn't motivated to be consistent, to work out, to eat healthy, or even make the time to be healthy. After implementing our lifestyle, she started eating foods that gave her energy, she started doing workouts that were so much fun, and she connected with a community that cheered her on in her health journey. Over the course of 8 months, she lost 40 pounds, and 3 years later, she is still loving the Chics lifestyle.
Girl, are you ready to be like Brandi and level the F up? Are you ready to get the results that are long-lasting and sustainable? We will guarantee, if you follow our program, you will lose weight, you will normalize your blood levels, you will sleep better, and you will have more energy. How much would you pay to extend your lifespan and add healthy years to your life? $1,000, $500, $100?
We're launching the Chics lifestyle, or PCL as we call it for short. It is our holistic program that's designed to take you step by step through each of the components of a healthy lifestyle from 40s and beyond.
Our Chics lifestyle has workouts for all body types and all fitness levels. We offer a variety of workouts from yoga, Pilates, strength, HIIT, and of course, our specialty, lift. Yoga is great for those of you who want to work on your flexibility. Maybe you've got some lower back pain, or maybe you want to connect with yourself on a deeper, more spiritual level.
Pilates is great for posture and core, while strength training is great for muscle and bone density. As women, it's important to add strength training to our workouts to support healthy bone density. We have a variety of 10-minute workouts for those of you who do not have time throughout your day. And our specialty LIT is for women who won't work out because they have joint pain, knee pain, postpartum, maybe new to working out. LIT is all low impact, but don't let it fool you. You'll still get a great workout.
We've got a ton of fitness programs, and we're always adding new workouts and new challenges to keep you motivated and wanting more. Our workouts are meant to be repeated. We've had women that have done our LIT program 5 or 6 times. That's 6 months of working out. If you're not comfortable going to the gym, it's okay, because you can do these workouts in the comfort of your own home. And we know that you have very busy schedules with your kids, your spouse, your work, your busy life. But guess what? Our workouts range anywhere between 10 and 60 minutes, so there's no excuse, and you can always fit a workout into your busy schedules.
Even if you do all the exercise in the world, you cannot out-exercise a bad diet. We heard you. You're sick of counting calories and macros. It's just not sustainable.
In my experience as a dietitian, counting calories and macros isn't sustainable and doesn't work for most people. That's why we created our plant plates. Plant plates is our nutrition system on how to create meals that are nutritious and delicious. You don't have to count calories or macros. You're gonna get so much good food that you're gonna have so much energy. And the best part is, you don't have to be plant-based to enjoy our plant plates. Everyone needs to eat their veggies. We've got a ton of recipes that are super delicious and satisfying, and they're kid approved.
After being certified in plant-based nutrition, there is so much science supporting a predominantly plant-based diet that adds years to your life and life to your years. We take your favorite recipes like pancakes, cookies, curries, chilies, and we plant chick them out so you don't miss out on flavor. The Chics lifestyle has whole food plant-based recipes. Some are gluten-free, most are healthy in a hurry for those who don't like to cook in the kitchen.
We hear you, you're not plant-based, you don't want to go plant-based. That's good, because we're not here to make you go plant-based. Our recipes are made for all dietary tastes and preferences. We don't just have recipes, we've got video tutorials on how to set up your kitchen mentally and physically for success.
We know how hard it is when you don't have support at home. Your kids, your husband, your family, no one wants to eat like you or work out. That's why we created the Plant Chics Tribe. Our Plant Chics Tribe is our amazing community of women that will help lift you up when you're feeling down and cheer you on when you're slaying your day. When you join the Plant Chics lifestyle, you get the support and motivation you need to level up.
Connecting with other badass women who are finding their healthy and leveling up helps keep you on track. Our tribe is our safe space for everyone on their individual health journey. We consider our tribe our secret sauce, and that is where the magic happens.
We are launching our Plant Chics lifestyle with our new Fit to Feast program. This 21-day holiday challenge is only available through the Plant Chics lifestyle. The holidays can be difficult to stay on track on your health and fitness goals. So we're gonna show up together, get fit together, so we can feast for the big day.
Over the course of 21 days, we're gonna get mentally and physically fit so we can feel confident and happy on the holiday. And the goal is to maintain, not gain, as we feast on the big day.
We will continually add new workouts, recipes, and challenges like this to keep healthy fun. If you choose to be 1% healthier today, those results will compound into a healthier, better you tomorrow. Lean in on our tribe for support.
We know what you're thinking. This is that vicious cycle of staying up too late, pushing snooze, not working out, eating the high sugar, high fat, high salt foods to try and wake you up from that afternoon slump. That's where we come in. We help you master one thing to start creating a healthy lifestyle that works for you.
We know what you're thinking. This one is tough. An unhealthy gut causes these cravings. We need to train your taste buds and diversify your gut microbiome so you have less of these cravings. It takes up to 7 times for your taste buds to change, so be patient. We have nourishing and healing foods in our plant plates that will satisfy your sweet and salty cravings. But guess what? It's not always about food, it's about mindset. And we help you master your mindset.
We know what you're thinking. You're busy and you don't have enough time. Correction, it's not about time, it's about priorities. We know you spent time building a career, nurturing your family, and maybe spending a little bit too much time on your social life. It's time to make yourself a priority. We show you how to make yourself a priority and still have time for your family, friends, and career.
We know what you're thinking. I'm doomed to taking meds for the rest of my life. You want to get off your medication for diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, anxiety, and the list goes on. This is doable, and we hold your hand as you change your lifestyle by adding more exercise and eating more nutritious foods. It takes time and it's possible. We have helped many people decrease and get off their meds.
What is your health worth to you? $1,000? $500? $100? Your health is not an expense, it's an investment. Our Plant Chics lifestyle is our all-inclusive membership that includes fitness for all levels and interests with over 162 on-demand workouts. Nutrition for everyone with over 100 delicious and nutritious plant plates recipes, grocery lists, how to set up your kitchen for success, and so much more. And of course, our fabulous Plant Chics tribe, which is priceless.
As a special bonus, you will get these only if you sign up by November 2nd, our 7-day challenge to jumpstart your health journey. Our plant tracker, which is a tool that helps you track your plants each week, and 30 plants is the golden rule. Our daily self-care checklist, which empowers you to start leveling up.
But there's more. We're doing our Fit to Feast challenge starting November 3rd with a huge group of women to keep you motivated and on track. You must join before November 2nd to participate in our group kickoff challenge that's meant to get you creating new healthy habits that work with your lifestyle.
And we're not stopping there. We're so passionate about helping you level up and find your healthy that we're going live weekly during the Fit to Feast challenge. We will cook with you, work out with you, get to know you, and coach you. Again, all this is available only if you join by November 2nd. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity.
This is valued at over $1,300, but if you sign up by November 2nd, you're not going to pay $1,000 or even $500. If you click the button and join now, you can join for our low introductory price of $9.95 a month, or you can save some money and join for $99 per year. That's a small price to pay for your health. Our Plant Chics lifestyle will not only improve your health, it'll improve the lives around you. Investing in yourself is the most important investment you'll ever make.
This is an invitation for you to reclaim your health and make yourself a priority. All you have to do is click the button, sign up today, and you get access to the Plant Chics lifestyle. We've added all these bonuses to help you create your healthy lifestyle. Remember, the only way to get these bonuses is to enroll before November 2nd. See you inside!